Hello and welcome to my channel. In the previous video I have shared with you how to draw irregular flame patterns using simple techniques. In this one I am going to show you how to draw irregular flame patterns, and for this you have to first draw any kind of structure that is good for denoting a flame. You can copy from any tattoo artists, and in the above sample I am going to show you the flame patterns of low density irregular flames, and below that I am going to construct flame patterns of high density irregular flames. First you saw that I almost did the same thing in the two pieces. Then the considerable thing is that in the high dense flame there should be some highlighting areas but no undertone. As you saw in drawing smokes, I have used undertones of different colors, but here undertone is not necessary because flame is the source of light which will be illuminating in nature. And the third variation of color you may or may not use for the extension of the high density flame patterns. And the considerable thing is that also I have selected the smudge tool with a big diameter and full strength. And the steps are: first you have to just follow the lines you drew and gently go through the lines and your thing will get its first polish. Then you just repeat the process. This way the basic structure of the flame is constructed. Then you can add some design to it and smudge it back to build its base area, as you can see I am doing. And now you can go on smudging the tips as far or as much as you want, but you have to take it into account that the more you smudge the patterns, the thicker they will start to look. So as your wish, you draw the design, but I will recommend not to smudge too much because it is meant to be a flame of lower density. So you can see it's getting more dense than before, so I will revert back here. And if you want perfection or more detailing, you can also smudge individual strands of the flame to your design aesthetic or to your demand, as you can see I am doing here. For the color of flame you can use whatever color you want, because it's not that the color of your flame will depend on any background, but it's the opposite. Now I am moving towards the second design. Like the first one, I am doing the same, taking the smudge strength to 100%, and with a very big size I am giving it a 2 coat of smudging. Then my basic structure of the flame is almost complete, and the extension of the flame is also smudged afterwards. Then I will just smudge a bit downward the main highlighting area of the flame, and you can say it's ready to use. Now here is the bonus part where I will show you how to use flame patterns to draw a character you want. Drawing flames, especially in the irregular patterns, is that much easy, as you saw. And now I am doing some line art thing because it will construct my flame structure, and wherever I feel I will have the highlighting areas of the character, I am adding some lines to it. And in building the character I will use low density flame patterns because I want my thing to look like it's ablaze on something. The flames are on in a solid object. Now I started giving the first coat of smudge over the lines, then eventually I will give the second coat. And after the first coat you almost can see that the pattern I want for my character is ready. And in the second coat I am adding the detailing like the teeth area and the eye holes and the nose shape kind of thing and the jaw lines. And for especially the character design, I will use a third coat with half the strength, as I was using 100% strength for the thing. Now I am using 50% for it. With this third coat I will feel somewhat of the design, and this feeling is necessary because I want to make it look like something solid is on fire, and this third coat will give it the intended density, or you can say the shape of the thing and the reflections which is necessary on solid objects. Now I am back to 100% strength of smudging to design the peripheral flames, and in this area you can do as much as drama you want to do, or you just go on to achieve the perfection level you want. And I will keep it short and simple. Here I am just having to maintain that the main shape of my character is not distorted by it, and the rest of the thing is child's play for anyone, and the thing I wanted to build is complete here. Now I will just go on adding some drama to it. You please enjoy the rest of the video, and in the comment section below you can get back to me about how much you are getting improved from the videos I have been sharing so far, and what you think you can add to the suggestions so I can grow and improve myself. And it will be too much fun if some of you, with these videos I have been sharing, start to do things which you thought would not be so easy for you, and that is the greatest gift I can have for my efforts. Stay tuned for updates. Bye for now.